Our original CnC DIY Factory's laser cut design, Honeycomb and Bee Frame with Easel DIY kit, which pairs perfectly with an exclusive rice paper designed by the painted photographer called Be Kind. I'm using the Liquid Sunshine by DIY from the Maker's Box, and I'm mixing in a little bit of the White Swan to lighten the color up. Then I'm going to apply one good coat of paint to the frame, the easel pieces, and the back of the frame. For the 7 honeycomb pieces and the bee, I will use the Liquid Sunshine without any of the White Swan added. I want these to stand out against the lighter yellow of the frame. I used Little Black Dress by DIY for the black on the bee, and I will use Tarnished Pearl for the wings of the bee. I did not get this on camera, but I did use a detail brush and some of the Little Black Dress watered down with some Tarnished Pearl and water to create the veins on the wings. Once all of these pieces are dry, I will go ahead and seal them all in with Wise Owl Varnish in Matte Finish. DIY paint needs to be sealed or it can be reactivated with water, and I find it's sometimes easier to seal them before assembly. This exclusive rice paper by the painted photographer is so vibrant, and I love that she always has a 3-up design in the Maker's Box. I am using the larger piece because it will fit perfectly in this frame. I have already painted the front of the back piece with White Swan, and this is so that the colors in the paper will show true and the wood tones of the back piece will not show through the paper. I'm using Fusion Decoupage and Transfer Gel to decoupage this rice paper. I found that the thickness of this medium works perfectly for the thicker papers such as rice paper. I still start with a starter strip, but with this gel, I do not have to mist the rice paper. I simply use a balled up piece of plastic wrap to smooth out the rice paper, and once I have the paper adhered, I will go over the entire piece with a coat of decoupage and transfer gel to seal it all in. And when it is dry, I will sand off the excess paper, leaving a clean, crisp edge. This frame is so easy to assemble. Once you have your art piece completed on the back, you simply add some glue to the underside of the honeycomb frame and line it up. I'm using Stick Fast CA glue in the thick formula. Then I'll adhere the bee where I want it along with the 7 honeycomb pieces around the frame. The 2 easel pieces simply slide together, and there you have it. A sweet frame with an equally sweet picture to complement each other.